Let me formally introduce you to Havana. This is my newly acquired 1972 280 SE 4.5. You've already probably seen a couple videos on this car because you know 1 week ago today I went to Seattle and picked this car up, and it had been sitting in storage, not running, since 2011. That's 15 years. I have to admit, I didn't really know what I was getting into, but I was willing to take the risk. And you saw what we had to do in 1 week. We call this the 1 week restoration. Tongue in cheek, okay? I don't expect this to be totally restored in a week, but it is roadworthy now. We had to go through the whole fuel injection system in the front of the engine, change the engine oil. You want to change the oil, because almost every time you'll find these old engines full of gasoline. Look at how thin this oil is. And then we had to do the whole rear end fuel delivery system. Not only do we have to do with this piddling, but we'd have some major piddling here. I want to grab this and rip it, and you'd be shocked, but I got too much fuel in the tank. And then I had to come back up to the engine compartment, and I had to work on some problems with the cooling system, and then we had to deal with some sticking brakes. This is when you run into a problem. See that? Now, if I were to drive the car thinking that this is just going to free up, I would be kidding myself. But here we are today, 1 week later, and you can't believe how well this thing drives. This has got to be one of the best old cars I've revived out of long-term storage that didn't need just work. It went on and on and on. There's some other things we have to do. We have some tuning, we have some cleaning, a lot of detailing, and I've got a whole bunch of really mint 108 parts that I'm going to put on this car as the weeks go by. So I just want to show you I'm not blowing smoke here, and the car's not blowing smoke either. I'm going to take you, put you in the car, and we're going to go on a little road trip. Come on inside. Let's go for a ride in old Havana here. Welcome inside the cockpit of my 4.5. If you're wondering about the name, just look out at the hood. That may give you a clue as to why I named this car Havana. But if you look at the dash, not bad. We got a little teeny crack here. We've got some heater knobs that are broken off. That's so typical on these 108s. The hazards work. The shifter indicator works. Everything here works. We even have a beautiful rear view mirror. Anybody recognize this mirror right here? Even the visors. Look at that. I'm going to have to adjust them a little bit, but we're going to fire this up. I'm just going to take you around the block. There's still things we need to do to this car, but you're going to be impressed with how it performs. I just love driving these 108s, and I figured out it's the look out over the hood. Look at, you got the big hood star, the rolling hood, you got those rolling fenders. It just gives you a very distinctive look. And if you look at the dash, man, what could be cooler than a 108 dash? You know, the suspension is actually pretty tight on this thing, and there's not a lot of clunking when you go around corners, but it has good power. Look at that, hands off. Smooth shifting transmission. You literally don't even feel this transmission shift. Let's see how it kicks down here. Okay, our kickdown's working pretty good. You can see why I'm so happy with this car after just a week of working on it. We have a driver here. Rock solid. Look at those shock absorbers rebounding. Amazing. 54-year-old car. What a joy to drive this thing. I hope you enjoyed our little drive together. Okay, go ahead and film me, and then you're going to go to the engine.
Just in case you're not a believer, I'm just going to reach in and touch the key. Okay, we're just going to see how well this 4.5 starts.